Oh no, what happened?
The pretty printer, like Wi-Fi or something, is like unstable.
So the printer has just stopped there, and this is the message we got. The system voltage is unstable. Scan the QR code to view solutions. All right, we'll check it out. All right, Cabs, it says for this unstable voltage issue, we need to turn the printer off and back on, but do not pause and resume because it won't continue printing. It'll just stay stuck there. So we need to turn it off and back on. We have our power switch there, the bright one. You can flip that.
Flip.
And then let's wait like 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
6, 7.
8, 9, 10.
Flip. All right, now let's go back around. So it says, there was an unfinished print job when the printer lost power. If the model is still adhered to the build plate, you can try resuming the print. So we want to hit the resume button. And now, hopefully, it will heat up the extruder, which is going up there. 170, 180, 190, 200. Oh my gosh. 210. Whoa.
That his little unstable voltage thing is still there.
Oh yeah, there's a little something there. There's a little piece sticking up there. And I'm going to use our shear tools here. And I'm just gonna try to snip that.
And I'm just playing the piano for fun.
I basically just made sure it's all flat because the printer works in layers. So obviously if there's a big chunk sticking up, there's the chunk that was on there. That is not going to work. And I will resume the print and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully that'll fix it. If it doesn't, it'll probably hit the spaghetti problem. And then we'll just have to start this print over. That's okay. At least the printer's working.
Okay guys, I hope your voltage is under control.
Whoa! Hopefully that helped you guys out. If you continue to have issues, then maybe reach out to your 3D printer manufacturer, but feel free to drop some comments. We could try to help you out. If you have any pro tips, drop some comments as well. You can help out the 3D Print Duo community. And don't forget to subscribe. Right, Cubs?
Yeah!
Subscribe! So you don't miss our videos. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. High five? Yeah! All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.